Okay, guys, we are on page 418. We are going to do our mid-chapter checkpoint. Again, page 418. Find your page right away. Okay? If you're not there, then pause your video until you get there. That's the easiest way to do it. Pause your video. When you're ready to start, then we'll start. Okay, here we go. Break apart the addends to find the sum. Separa los sumanos para hallar la suma. Remember how we break apart? We deal with the hundreds first. How many hundreds? 5. So what's the value? 500. What's the value of the 6? El valor del 6? 60. And the 7 is 7 1, so it's 7. 324 would be 300 plus 20 plus 4. 300 más 20 más 4. Now we're going to add. We start on the ones. The reason we start on the ones is sometimes we have to carry this way. We never carry that way. We carry this way, so we have to start over here. If we do this first, then we go over here and we have to carry. We already did it. Then we'll have to fix it. So we start on the ones. 7 and 4. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Some of you guys still don't know how to add, Juan. Tú no sabes cómo sumar 7 y 4 más. 7, empezando con el número grande. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Escriba el uno. Michelle, you did not know this. You write the 1, and now you got to carry. Now, we're doing tens, so we're carrying 1 is 110, which is 10. You got to carry 10. When we do this break apart, you have to carry 10, not 1. 60 and 10 is 70, and 20, 70 and 20 is 90. 500 and 300 is 800. 800 plus 90 plus 1 is 891. 800 más 90 más 1 is 891. Right? Okay. Try this one by yourself. Go ahead on the bottom. That one right there. Be careful, you may have to borrow. Right there. That one. I didn't ask you to pause, so we're just going to check it together. The first part is the hardest part here. The rest is easy. Okay, let's check. 8 and 6. Okay, you can think of 1 less is 7, 1 more is 7. This is the same as 7 and 7 because we just moved 1 from the 8 to the 6. Becomes 7 and 7. If you know 7 and 7 is what? 14. If you don't know, 8 plus 6. This is how you do it, Juan. You start with the 8. 8. Y 6 más. 8. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14. What do we do, Michelle? ¿Qué hacemos, Michelle? 4. Y el 1 cargamos arriba. 4 más 4 son 8 y 1 más son 9 decenas. 3 más 2, 5. Is that what you got? Did you? Okay, I want you to pause it and do both of these. Go ahead, do both of them. Do both. So pause it right now. Okay, I assume you did them both. If you did not do them both, pause it and do them because we're going to go over it. 7 and 4. We did that already today, didn't we? 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Put down the 1, carry the 1. 6 and 3. 7, 8, 9, and 1 is 10. What do? We only put the 0. And we have 10, 10, so we carry it to the hundreds. Carry the 1 here. 6 and 1 is 7 and 2. 7 and 2 is 9. Sometimes we have to carry twice. A veces tenemos que cargar dos veces. A las decenas y a las centenas. In this one, we carried both times. How about this one? Did you already do it? You should have done this. 7 and 1. 8. Do we carry? No. No cargamos. How about 9 and 3? 10, 11, 12. Put down the 2. Escribe el dos y carga el uno. This time we had to carry 12. You carry the 1. 5 and 3 is 8 and 1, 9. Did you get them right? Did you get both of those right? Okay. You're going to pause your video this time and try reading and doing this one. It's about shells. Se trata de caracos. These are called sand dollars. I don't know if they say dólares, dólares de arena o no. Vamos a ver. ¿Qué dicen? Dólares. Dólares de arena grandes. They say dólares de arena grandes. Go ahead, pause the video and read and try this one. Okay, you should have paused it. You should have an answer already. If you don't have an answer, you didn't do the problem, then pause it. Stop your video and do it. Here we go. There are 148 small sand dollars and 119 large sand dollars on the beach. How many sand dollars are on the beach? Hay 148 dólares de arena pequeños y 119 dólares de arena grandes en la playa. ¿Cuántos dólares de arena hay en total en la playa? Well, you got 148 small, 119 large. You want to know how many altogether, so what must you do? Sumar, add, of course. 148 plus. Now, you got to put them in the right place. 119. You must line them up properly. Plus 9 and 8. Well, do you know 8 and 8 is 16? So 9 and 8 must be 17. 9 and 9 is 18. So 9 and 8 must be 17. You take away 1. 9 and 8. 9, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 17. Escriben el 7, Michelle. Carga el uno. 4 plus 1 is 5 plus 1 is 6. 1 and 1 is 2. 267 dólares de arena. Okay? Very simple. Okay, tell you what. We'll do this in 2 sections. Just do the top section. Again, you're going to pause and just do numbers 1, 2, and 3. Go ahead, do those right now. Pause your video to do them. Okay, we're going to check to see how you did. Here we go. 7 and 5, 12. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. You put down the 2 and carry the 1. Do you know 4 and 3? A lot of you know 4 and 3 is 7, and 1 more, 8. A lot of people don't have to use their fingers. They know 5 and 4. 5 and 4 is 9. It's a hand and 4 fingers. That's almost all your fingers except for 1. That was easy. Did you get it right? This one's a little harder. Let's go. 7 and 4. We've done that twice today. 7, 4, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Escriben el uno y cargue el uno. We can do 8 and 6. I think we already did that somewhere, right? What was 8 and 6? Do you remember? 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. This is 14, but we carried the 1, so 14 and 1 is 15. Put down the 5, and now we got to carry 1 to the hundreds column because we have 10 tens. That makes 100. 3 and 1 is 4 and 2, 6. You could say 3 and 2 is 5 and 1, 6. Did you get that one right? That was harder because we had to carry twice that time. Here we go. 6 and 5. Do you know that already? A lot of people know that. That's 11. 5 and 5 is 10. So 6 and 5 is 11. Put down the 1 and carry the 1. Michelle, if you are doing this with me, you would know about carrying. If you don't know how to carry, it means you have not been doing your homework. 8 and 1 is 9 and 5. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 4. Carry the 1. 4 and 4 is 8 and 1 is 9. 941. Again, we had to carry both times. We had to carry twice there. Those were hard. Okay, we're going to skip these for later. Go down to number 7. Try reading number 7 and figuring out how to do it. Go ahead, try number 7. Pause your video to do it. Oh, you should have paused your video. It should already be done. Let's check and see. Saul and Louisa each scored 167 points on a computer game. How many points did they score altogether? Saul y Luisa anotaron 167 puntos cada uno en un juego de computadora. ¿Cuántos puntos anotaron en total? Okay, we want to know how many points they scored together, so we have to add Saul's score with Louisa's score. We just have to add their scores. But what did they score? Well, listen, Saul and Louisa each scored 167 points. What does that mean if they each scored 167 points? ¿Qué quiere decir cada uno? Cada uno anotaron 167 puntos cada uno. ¿Qué quiere decir cada uno? What does that mean each scored? It means Saul scored 167 and Luisa also scored 167. Los dos anotaron 167. Por eso tenemos que sumar 167 con 167. Porque los dos anotaron 167. They each scored that. You must add the same number to itself. Right? That's what you do. 7 and 7. Do you know your doubles? 7 and 7 is what? 14. Put down the 4. Carry the 1. How about 6 and 6? 12. Plus 1, 13. Put down the 3. Carry the 1. Again, we carry 1 because it's 13. 1, 2, 3. Did you get that? 334. If you did, you're going good. Last one. I don't think we can see. Here we are. Write the addition problem for 275 plus 249. Then draw quick pictures to check your work. Escribe la suma para 275 más 249 y halla la suma. Luego haz dibujos rápidos para comprobar tu trabajo. 9 más 5. Well, 10 and 5 is 15. So 9 and 5 is one smaller. 14. You take 1 from the 5. 14. Put down the 4. Carry the 1. Escribe el 4, carga el 1. 7 y 1 más son 8 y 4. 9, 10, 11, 12. Escriben el 2, porque es 12, y carga el 1. 2 y 2 son 4 y 1 más, 5. Tuvimos que cargar 2 veces. Now, can we do this with a quick picture? Well, let's try it. 270. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's 7 tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. 5. Oh, that was 200. I only got 1. 200. 275. 200 again. I'm going to do them a little smaller. 40. 1, 2, 3, 4. 9. 1. I'm going to draw them over here. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, we're going to add them together. So I got too many here. Look, I got 5 up there and 5 there. Well, I don't want to do these two together because this is in the way. So I'm going to do 5 and 4 is 9. I'm going to take one of these. That makes 10. There's a 10. I'm gonna make this a new 10, so I'm gonna put it over here. Beep, beep, beep. There's my new 10, so now I get rid of that. Okay, what do I got left? 4, and I carried 1. You see how I carried 1? Now I got 7, and 4 is 11, and 1 is 12. That's too many. I'm going to make another 100 with 10. I'm going to put it with the hundreds. So I get rid of it. I'm going to carry it over here. There's my new 100. How many I got left? 2. And I carried the 1. 2 and 2 is 4, and 1 is 5. 524. Same answer. Misma respuesta. See how I did that? The picture. What's that? Yes, I still have class. We always have class. Okay, boys and girls, this is what I want you to do. I want you to do these 3, number 4, 5, and 6. Got it? Do them. Take a picture of both pages and send it to me. Got it? Do 4, 5, and 6. Take a nice big picture and send it to me. I will see you later. Bye.